Hello everyone, Jesse here with Absolutely Clean Window Washing, coming to you here with a soft wash roof cleaning job. This home is in Zimmerman, Minnesota, and as you can see the roof is very covered in Glioxapsomagma, also called black algae. This home will be listed on the market very soon. The buyer wants to get the home cleaned up for the sale. And it's a very good idea. We're also washing the siding on this home and the deck in the back, but we're just doing a short video here showcasing the middle section of roof here for a before and after. So this is the before video. We're also taking before pictures and after pictures. Those will be included in the end of the video. If you have a roof anywhere in Minnesota or Wisconsin that you would like cleaned, please give us a call, 612-919-4185, 612-919-4185. Thank you. Hey everyone, thanks for staying tuned. Here's an after video of the front of the roof. We also did two more sections on the roof here, but for the sake of a short video, we're going to keep this real short and just show you the front roof here. And we've also done the siding all the way around. There's a deck in the back that we cleaned, a nice beautiful cedar deck, turned out very, very nice. And the siding turned out real nice. We are going to finish this job up with exterior window cleaning, and this home should be ready for the market. If you have a property anywhere in Minnesota or Wisconsin that you need soft washing done, please give us a call, 612-919-4185, 612-919-4185. And please stay tuned to the end of the video for the before and after of this roof. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day.